inside one of the most expensive cruise ships in the world. Imagine a floating city worth over $1 billion, where luxury meets the open sea. From private suites that rival five-star hotels to restaurants led by Michelin-star chefs, this is no ordinary cruise. Today, we step inside one of the most expensive cruise ships in the world and uncover the secrets behind its jaw-dropping luxury. Stretching over 1,000 feet in length and housing more than 18 decks, this ship is larger than most skyscrapers. It's not just transportation, it's an experience. But what makes it cost over $1 billion? Let's start with the design. It took years of engineering, thousands of workers, and cutting-edge technology to build this masterpiece. Every corner was designed to scream elegance, from marble floors to Swarovski crystal staircases. Some suites come with private balconies, infinity pools, and even grand pianos. Prices? Up to $50,000 for a single week. But guests aren't just paying for space. They're paying for an experience like no other. On board, there are over a dozen fine dining restaurants, from French haute cuisine to Japanese sushi bars. Some even feature menus designed by Michelin-star chefs. Ingredients? Often flown in from around the world, fresh, daily. From Broadway shows to ice skating performances, the entertainment on board rivals that of Las Vegas. There's even a full-scale water park, luxury spa, and high-end shopping mall, all in the middle of the ocean. Behind the glamour lies a workforce of over 2,000 staff, chefs, engineers, performers, and crew, all working to ensure perfection. The ship is powered by some of the most advanced propulsion systems in maritime history, designed for both speed and stability. This is the ultimate escape, a place where luxury knows no bounds, and the journey is just as breathtaking as the destination. This isn't just a cruise, it's a billion-dollar dream set to sail. Would you take a trip on the most expensive cruise ship in the world? Tell us in the comments below. Please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel.